Shusho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm Silo Boy Taylor DJ. So namhlanje ngifuna ukurate la kuyathi ngibona ibhalwe iDaily Sun. iDaily Sun sayazi idume ngokubhala amanga, but ke ngike ngayibona lena itrend na ku social media about isong of the year yase Free State. And i-personal kakhulu kumina because i-song of the year yase Free State bengihlonipha kakhulu because ngeke ngabe umuntu ohlala kakhulu e-Free State lakhe Harry Smith ku Khalanyon, so bebekhona abantu abafana nabo Khada nabo Thwasa ibona bavamisa ukubeka kule position ukuthi besithathe unyakeni omdala besibe unyaka omusha, but ke bese angazi izinto zenzakalani because ngibona umuntu ade presenter le yasho uyona enesindo kangaka engathi bekumuntu engamazi. I'm not sure if uKhada usasuspendiwe or eswaqoshwe, but ngeke ngabona iskandal last year sa Khada about Nelsedi ke, but ke istory sithi khona umjida lapha ohlonisa isong of the year and abantu bayakhala ukuthi le umuntu ohlonisa isong of the year abamazi kwangomakha abayazi. So i-association music wase-Free State ayikho happy kakhulu ngesinqumo lesi esenziwe uLsedi, so bafuna ama-explanation ukuthi ingoma ekade engaziwa uhlonise kanjani unyaka kuzokhumbuleka ku-top 10 yoKhozi FM eminyakeni endlule. I'm not sure, I think maybe it was around about 2020 uDJ Hlo wenza the same thing nawo wahlukanisa unyaka ngengoma engaziwe. I think into exactly yenzekalile laphana, but ke ekahlo ingoma yakade ingene ngokungekho emthethweni ku top 10 bayifaka singayazi but yavotelwa leyana ke ngathi abantu baningi baqale sebeyizwa ngonyuke bebengazi ukuthi ku top 10 because bathe mabe-check history yayo ngathi ingoma ibe-release ngomhla ka-5 I think ngomhla ka-5 November yangena ku-top 30 le yeLsedi FM yaba number 28 enijikijiki sibe number 1 esong of the year bingena ama-A plays bingadlala naseredweni, so abantu abaningi hayi no abekho happy ke, but umjidi wini song of the year celebrate and nami nalegama lakhe angikwazi nokulibiza ngiqala nokuliza igama lakhe lo amjidi lona, so angimazi ukuthi mhlambe indlela ukuthi basebenza kanjani kuLsedi FM because angazi nambana i-voting system noma bakhetha nje ingoma eperforma kuma charts akhona benza number 1, but I think ikhona corruption ekhona lapha kula song of the year because I know ayenzi sense ukuthi ingoma ade number 38 kuma charts iqhame sekuthiwa number 1 song of the year kanjani ivoto lo not ivoto lo banifike kanjani lapha ku number 1. So I think nje khona corruption namapayola ayenzekala lapha khona abantu kumele bexoshwe lapha, but kuthiwa kusaphenywa and iLsedi FM bengakaskip statement sokuphendula, so nje la song of the year yabo no umquba ngempela into ewin isong of the year because ayikho lento awukwazi ukukhama sowin isong of the year kade ungaziwa, but South Africa izinto zenzeka abantu abaningi bayaphunyula benze kuzona, but I hope i-association lo music izopressa lapha eLsedi FM kuze kuvele iqiniso ukuthi mhlawumbe la ngoma bekade ikhethwe kanjani kwenziwe kanjani because I feel like babulala i-opportunity abantu ade besebenza ngempela unyaka wonke abantu ade bebig beqhame sebe lapha. And another thing engifuna ukuyiraise, I think sekukhona nje lo issue esithanda ukuba personal ukuthi bonke abantu bafuna isong of the year ngathi ngawina ingoma yesintu sangakuba abasafuna ukuya ngama numbers because I think lento yamaskandi mhlawumbe yenza lapha nokhosini, so nabo uLsedi FM sibefuna kube ingoma yase Free State ezowina isong of the year even though kade ngekho dominant kade ingaziwe. So I think lo ke izoba wrong kakhulu and izophusha ama-artist amaningi kakhulu ngenxa lezi zinto because ayisayenzi sense because ingoma mele ikhunyula ama-numbers ayo nanokuba popular nanama-A plays uba beyidlala yini eredweni, so asikwazi uba ne-song of the year ingadlali nje. So ngizoyivala lapha ivideo yami ngifuna ibe yinde, but I'm so disappointed ngeLsedi FM because one of the biggest radio station now and ilikhava abantu abaningi la abase-Free State nabakhuluma isiSuthu and ngilazi ngumusic iLsedi FM like uThwasa benoKhada like ngihlonipha ngale ndlela because ngiyabazi ukuthi music bayawazi. So I'm not sure mase kwenzeke into nje ukuthi basekhona yini eredweni because kudala ngathi ngiyi-Free State, but ke sekhona ku-Twitter ithi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-TikTok siSpeaker Nawe, ku-Instagram siSpeaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook siSpeaker Nawe. We out.